The photography community is buzzing with excitement over the potential debut of the Canon EOS R9. While details remain speculative, here's a compact overview of the rumored features and how they compare to competitors. Let's get started. The EOS R9 is expected to feature a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessors, the EOS R7 and R10. This promises improved image quality and versatility across various shooting scenarios. The R9 is rumored to offer 4K video recording without crop at 30p and with a slight crop at 60p. In-body image stabilization is expected, ensuring steady footage in challenging conditions. The camera is likely to incorporate dual-pixel AF2, known for its proficiency in detecting and tracking eyes of humans and animals. Car detection, introduced in the EOS R6 Mark 1 may also be included. While specific burst mode details are limited, it's expected to offer similar capabilities to the EOS RR7 and R10, with mechanical speeds up to 15 FPS and electronic speeds of 30 FPS. The new Digic X processor should deliver exceptional ISO performance with minimal noise at high settings. The R9 is rumored to feature a high-quality electronic viewfinder with 2.4 million pixels and minimal lag, coupled with a 120 FPS LCD screen. A fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen is also expected. Speculation suggests a price range between $999 and $2,000, positioning it as an attractive option for photographers seeking premium features at a competitive price point. The Canon EOS R9 will compete with cameras like the Nikon Z5, Sony A7 III, and Panasonic S5 II in the professional high-end segment. The Canon R9 promises to be an exciting addition to Canon's lineup, offering a full-frame sensor, advanced autofocus, and impressive video capabilities. While competition is fierce, the R9's rumored features position it as a compelling choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The official release is anticipated in 2024, and further updates are eagerly awaited by the photography community.